Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your device and password manager support the password key standard. This avoids wasted steps later. You update the OS and the app, then enable Bluetooth or NFC because the key uses a secure channel. Once done, unlock the manager app and bring the hardware key within a half meter so pairing signals are strong. You will see a pairing prompt. Accept it and name the key logically, so you can distinguish it from backups and secondary keys in the future. Next, you configure how the password key integrates with your accounts. Choose passwordless sign-in if supported, or set it as a second factor for stronger security. You register the key in each account's security settings and add an emergency recovery option, such as a secondary key or recovery codes, so you avoid lockout. Once registered, test logging in on your main device and a secondary device to confirm portability. If a prompt asks for confirmation, approve it and verify that the session completes successfully without fallback to passwords. To finish, you label and securely store backup keys in separate locations so a single loss doesn't lock you out. Make sure account recovery options are current and revoke any lost or compromised keys right away to prevent unauthorized access. If you hit a problem like pairing failures, try simple fixes. Reboot the devices, re-enable Bluetooth or NFC, and retry with the key very close to the device. If issues persist, remove the key entry and re-register it to clear stale credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.